Hi
Hey
guys!
guys! Me and Sarina will do the Wow Okay Challenge. So, paano mo sasabihin ang Wow Okay ng happy?
Wow, okay!
Dati naman. Wow! Okay! How is it? Wala?
Good.
Okay. How about yung snobbish? Yung maarte. Okay. Ako muna, ikaw. Sige, ikaw muna. Go.
Wow, okay.
Pwede. Ako na lang. Wow. Okay. Sad. Sad naman, sad.
Wow, okay.
Galing. So sad naman. Ako, dati naman. Wow. Okay. Okay. Good? Good. Okay. Pwede. Pasada.
Cry.
Cry naman, cry? Okay. Ay, sige. Cry na ako. Hindi makita eh. Pero ang galing. Ang galing. Isa pa nga. Pwede. Galing ha. Wow. Pagtuwa tawa. Cry. May tears na nga ako sa mata ko.
Malapit na.
Okay. Now, next naman ay angry.
Wow, okay!
On the spot. Gusto mo si Daddy?
Eh.
Wow! Wow! Okay!
Bakit dalawang okay?
Gusto ko okay. Dalawa. Okay naman?
Dapat isang okay lang.
Okay. Next. Okay, isa pa.
Sasamid ko.
Isa pa. Wow! Okay! Galing?
Almost.
Almost. Sorry. About excited.
Wow!
Galing. Wow! Okay!
Surprise!
Surprise! Oh, nagulat kunyari.
Ako muna.
Okay nga, ikaw nga.
Okay! Okay!
Okay, ready. Okay! Ganun. Okay. Thank you for watching, guys.
Guess what's next?
What?
I'm gonna do it.
Oh, you gonna do it? This was a surprise.
Guess what?
What was that?
Whoa, okay, go.
Bye, guys. Thank you.